Hello everybody, my name is Davis and welcome back to another video, and today we are here for another severe weather breakdown. Now today we're going to be talking about the next big storm that could impact the United States. We're going to be talking about where you could see severe weather, when you could see severe weather, and more. So let's go ahead and get right into it, starting off with the SPCL look for today, where we have no risk for severe weather. Moving on to tomorrow, we have a slight risk of severe weather for most of northeast Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and then western Mississippi here, okay? So tornado threat for tomorrow, we have a 5% risk of a tornado within 25 miles of any given point of that brown area in there, okay? So we could be looking at a tornado or two possible tomorrow. All right, this will not be quite as intense as the event that we were dealing with yesterday and Monday, I would say, but it still could be pretty eventful. So stay tuned into your local National Weather Service tomorrow if you are in that brown or even the green area, okay? So damaging wind threat for tomorrow, we also have a 15% risk of wind gusts of 60 miles per hour or higher within 25 miles of any given location in that yellow blob there. So we'll definitely see several gusts to approach that 60 mile per hour mark and, become a severe thunderstorm just because of that damaging wind threat. So look out for that. Hail threat for tomorrow, we also have a 15% risk of hail of 1 inch or larger within 25 miles of any given point in the yellow area there. So some hail could cause some severe warnings as well, okay? So going into Friday here, we have an enhanced risk of severe weather. A day 3 enhanced risk, guys. That is rare, okay? We could say that is rare, but it's even rare for that to happen in early January. So eastern Alabama, central Georgia, central South Carolina, and then portions of North Carolina as well. You have to be on extreme lookout on Friday here. We could be talking about a full-blown tornado outbreak to happen, okay? And not only that, but we go ahead and look at the probabilities. We even have a hatch risk for severe weather. So that could mean one of three things. Either we have a enhanced hatch risk for tornadoes, which would be the worst outcome. We have an enhanced hatch risk for damaging winds, which would be bad as well, or an enhanced hatch risk for hail, which would be probably just about as bad as the damaging wind threat. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say is this is going to be an impactful event no matter what happens, no matter what changes over the few days. This is definitely going to be something you're going to want to look out for here. I will be going live on Friday once again covering severe weather. I just went live 2 days in a row for the past couple days, but it looks like I'm going to be going live again on Friday, so stay tuned into the channel. I'll take a look at the NAM here. Right now, don't have much in the south central United States, but we can see some moisture starting to pump up from the Gulf of Mexico here, just starting out as some light rain showers, but then they kind of form into a more organized cluster and even a few lines of thunderstorms, okay? So we can see a lot of severe thunderstorm potential here in portions of, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, right? We push that off to the east here. That's whenever we get into Friday, and that's the day that we're really going to be watching for that major severe threat, okay? So these storms will move off to the east. We go ahead and turn this over to the southeastern United States, and we see that line of damaging thunderstorms potentially move through portions of the Carolinas, Georgia, Florida, Alabama, Tennessee, and that whole area, okay? So finally, watches, warnings, and advisories. Winter storm watches up for most of the upper Midwest here, okay? So look out for that in the dark blue. Some winter storm warnings left in the Midwest there in the pink. Some winter weather advisories in the purple. We've got several avalanche warnings up in portions of the Northwest in the kind of the baby blue, not necessarily a baby blue, but just kind of a bright blue color there in portions of Montana and Idaho. So look out for that. We could be looking at some avalanche conditions, but other than that, pretty calm right now. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Remember to stay tuned into the channel and your local National Weather Service, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.